A code editor is the place where you write the code. We're going to use CodePen, which is an online code editor. You write the code in the browser, and it lets you view your changes directly in the browser as well, which is very handy. Let's have a look on how to get started. If this is your first time in CodePen, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up, and there are some different ways you can do this. We want you to sign up because that way you'll be able to save your progress. So you click sign up, and then you can choose if you want to sign up with Twitter, GitHub, Facebook, or sign up with email. I already have an account, so I will just log in. The first thing we will do is open a pen. A pen is like a project, so let's create a new project by clicking pen. To the left here we have the HTML file, and this is where all the HTML will be written. And in the middle area here we have the CSS, and this is where we eventually will write all of our styling. But we'll come to that later. And the JavaScript will not be used right now, so we can go ahead and minimize that. Apart from that, you can also change the view if you'd like by clicking this button here. I would like to change it so that I have the code to the left and the result to the right, but this is of course up to you. I will just show you really quickly how it can look like. So now I just wrote a line of HTML and it will display directly here in the browser. You don't need to remember this right now, but I just wanted to show you how it will look like. Now the last thing that we want to do is we want to rename it. So I will click this symbol up here and I will just write project 1, and then we're going to save it on this save button here. And what happens now is that we can use this URL if we want to share this project with others. And also, if I go back to my work, the pen is saved here along with my other projects. So I can see that project 1 appears here. Okay, now you're ready to start coding.